Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're aiming to create a secure and professional login page on Squarespace, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a functional login page from scratch, whether you're setting up a private section for your members, a client portal, or anything that requires protected access. Let's jump straight in and get started together. First, head over to Squarespace. Make sure you're logged into your account and looking at your website dashboard. If this is your first time here, don't worry, the interface is user-friendly and I'll walk you through each step. From the main menu on the left, you'll see an option called Website. Give that a click to open up your site structure. Next, you'll want to navigate to Pages. Here, you'll actually see all the pages that make up your site. The important thing here is the Not Linked section. It's usually lower down the page. The pages here exist on your site but aren't visible in your site's navigation menu, which is perfect for things like a login page that you don't want everyone stumbling onto. Find the ++ icon next to the Not Linked label and click it to add a brand new page. Squarespace will offer you a few different templates to start from, but for a clean slate, choose Blank Page. This gives you complete control to design a login area that fits your needs. After adding the blank page, rename it. Just double-click the name and change it to something clear and descriptive like Login Page. Clear labels help you stay organized, especially if you add more members-only areas later on. After you've named your page, click Edit. This opens up the page editor and lets you start building the actual content. For a login page, you'll want visitors to have a way to submit their information securely, so let's add a form. Click Add Section and look for the Forms option among the section types. Squarespace gives you a few choices of form layouts, but feel free to pick whichever feels right. The classic login feel is usually simple and direct. Once the form is added, let's tidy it up. Click Edit on your form and take a look at the fields Squarespace pre-populates. You'll likely see things like name, email, phone number, much more than you need for a basic login. Don't be afraid to delete any unnecessary fields by clicking their delete icon. Usually for a login, you only need an email address or username and a password. This keeps the form straightforward and adds that familiar sense of security for your visitors. Now's your chance to personalize the text in your form. If the default says something generic like Submit, you can make it more informative. For example, change it to Login or Access Members area. This small detail goes a long way in making users feel confident about where they're entering their information. You can also add a short message above or below the form to guide your users, like for members only, or enter your credentials to access resources. And that's it, all the key steps to building your own login page on Squarespace. Don't worry if it takes you a few moments to get things looking just right. Remember, you can always come back and make tweaks as you see how your users interact with the page. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I'm here to help. And if you want more Squarespace tutorials, tips, and creative inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.